How to change Roblox account email. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your verified email address on Roblox. So then to change your email address on Roblox, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and then open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.roblox.com and this is going to take you to the official web page of Roblox. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. As you can see that I'm already logged in. So once you're logged into your account, click on the gear icon located in the upper right hand side corner. From the drop down menu, click on settings. Now this is going to take you to the account settings. On this page, you can see right at the bottom you have this email address. So then to make changes with your email address, click on this pencil shape icon right in the corner. So in order to change your email address, first of all you need to verify your new email address. So for that, type in the new email address that you want to replace it with the current one. Click on the change button as soon as you're done entering your information. In order to verify your identity, you need to provide in the password associated with your Roblox account. Click on the verify button. Now verification has been sent to the currently changed email address. Now open up the email and then check for the verification code. After that, you can see there is the verification code, so open it up. Now scroll down a bit and click on verify email. Now the email address has been verified. Now you need to click on the login button and then log in into your account with new email address. So type in your password. As you can see that the email address has been updated, so to check for it, go to your settings page once again. And over here you'll be able to see your email address has been changed. So you can see that the email address has been verified. Along with that, the email address has been replaced. In this way you can make changes with your email address. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.